Hey there, Internet. Welcome to another episode of The John Graves Show. And today I'm going to get a little controversial because just recently, yesterday, one of my friends on Facebook, they sent me a link to IGN. And pretty much, like, as I read the article, or at least like when I read the title and then read the rest of it, and even watched the video, it was, the title of the thing was, Ellen Page comes out as a gay woman. And pretty much there's a little video of her pretty much kind of like trying, of her pretty much like kind of speaking out on it and pretty much, you know, kind of doing all, and pretty much, you know, going down through all the insecurities in which a person who does kind of have to deal with that, pretty much that's what they do. And honestly, it's one of those things in which that you really got to think about it. You see, I actually kind of grew up in a or at least like I still live in a very I say Catholic home, or pretty much, you know, people, or at least like my mother, my mother and everybody up on her side of the family, they pretty much honestly they pretty much hold the Bible pretty heavily up in their eyes. And honestly, up on my father's side, even though they do possibly still honestly do that, I do honestly have a lot of homosexual and gay and lesbian people up on my side of my father's side of the family. I even have some up on my mother's side, but I really don't talk to them all that much. However, the reason why I say that is because me myself, I am somebody who's split down the middle here. I know a lot about like religion and everything else, and pretty much I do understand how pretty much a person who does actually grow up within like certain societies, whether pretty much you were gay, straight, whatever, pretty much we all have our we all pretty much have it tough enough, just pretty much just trying to find people to pretty much to actually just call a friend. Because honestly, a lot of motherfuckers out there, man, today are so fucking shady that and pretty much they, man, will fucking stab you in the back just to get ahead. So pretty much, you know, you actually trying, man, to do that from a young age to an adult age to whenever. That shit, it can be difficult. Pulling that also on top of pretty much everybody's super stern ideals upon pretty much the gay people, and or at least like or pretty much people who have a different type of view than you. And honestly, honestly, when I first read this, the first thing that popped into my head was, honestly, I don't care. Wish that honestly, with me thinking that, what I actually wanted to say was, honestly, no one should honestly care. Honestly, it really shouldn't be like a superficial thing in which that like somebody comes out and says, hey, yo, this person, they like sleeping with the or with the same sex, and they find them attractive. Most people, or at least like me myself, I think that I look at it and I say, well, okay, seriously, it doesn't really matter. You know, I have a lot of gay friends, and honestly, seriously, sure, they may like sleeping with the same sex, but hey, that doesn't make them any less a cool people. I mean, really, seriously, who you like, man, to sleep with in the bed, really, to sleep with in the bed, seriously has nothing to do with me, unless that person was like a bastard who pretty much just honestly just tried, man, to use and abuse you. Then honestly, me, I have no real say so in it, or pretty much nobody else for that matter. And pretty much it is honestly one of those things in which that yes, I can understand that. Yes, I understand that it can be a difficult thing, and yes, people, they will never understand it, or possibly almost everybody will never understand it. However, I'm actually kind of just waiting on the point a point of it doesn't matter anymore. I mean, like, I've already reached the point. If somebody comes out and is like, yeah, man, I'm gay, it's like, dude, I don't care. Or pretty much one of my female friends, they fucking tell me that they're gay. I'm like, I don't care, because it doesn't affect me. It shouldn't actually affect our friendship. It shouldn't actually affect the way how pretty much you and pretty much some of your friends pretty much can just get together and just hang out. Honestly, it really shouldn't. But honestly, looking at it from like this grand of a thing, I mean, even with guys like Trey Melvin, who pretty much just recently pretty much just came out and said that he was bisexual. I mean, seriously, that stuff like that does not affect me watching his videos. He seems like a cool guy, and pretty much, hey, I'm pretty sure that this is one of those things that pretty much didn't affect his life. It didn't affect his family. Nobody pretty much looked at him differently from it, aside from like a few closed-minded people up on the internet. But then again, who the fuck cares, man, or what they think? However, for something like this, for Ellen Page and for every other gay, bisexual, whatever person you are, pretty much, you are all great fucking people, and pretty much, hey, nobody, man, should ever really should look down on you for pretty much like doing what you do. Because honestly, if they do, they pretty much are just fucking terrible people, and they just close-minded, minded, and they don't understand you. So pretty much what I do say is, this honestly shouldn't be a serious thing. I mean, even though it is, and pretty much people, they do take things a little bit too fucking far. However, really, it's just a thing in which that you like to do, and people really should not blow up in your face over it, because seriously, it's not that big of a deal, or at least like for how people treat it. It really isn't that big of a thing, which honestly, it should affect your life in a negative light. However, pretty much that is what society and what people tell us. But hey, I do wish that all of you who are possibly gay, straight, whatever you are, I hope that you all have a great whatever. And pretty much, if you are having troubles with this, I honestly, even though I'm a nobody up on the internet, I still say, yeah, I pretty much support. I fucking support you, and pretty much, hey, if you pretty much, and hey, if you need anybody, you can always tell your parents, you can tell a teacher, you can tell somebody who pretty much honestly does fucking care. And if they don't, then hey, you know, you will find somebody. So yeah, until then, that's kind of what I had to say on the matter. I know that I am a disjointed mess, and I really didn't make all that much sense, but pretty much, if it does help anybody out there, I want to thank you guys for listening to my video, and pretty much have a good one. I will see you guys on the next John Grave Show. Keep watching anime, keep playing video games, and pretty much to everybody out there, don't let something as small as this pretty much stop you from being the person you are. Alright? So, hey, have a good one, and have a great night. I'm out.